What should we do? I don't know. Me either. Oh no, is it starting to rain? Ah, it's raining! Is it raining too? Oh yes it is. I want to go in the den. Hey, just don't steal my spot. I'm going to be going too. Oh, by the way, come in here. It's pretty warm. Hey, oh, scooch in our spot. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh yeah, I want to get in rain too. Me too. Me too. I want to get in here too. Where's the alpha? Yeah, where's the alpha? It's gonna be raining. I think it stopped raining. Maybe I think it stopped raining. Maybe I'll go out here. I think it stopped raining. Okay, I'll come out and try to see if it's not raining. I think it is still. I want to go try and see if it stopped raining. Oh yeah, there's some water. I'm not too sure. I want to go last. Ow. I'll keep falling over. Yay. Ow. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Hey, you knocked us down. Sorry. Oh, look. Oh, whatever. Ow, you knocked me over. Oh, ow. Hey, the alpha is still here. I'll go. I'll go. This one's going. I'm going. I'm going. Yeah. Yay. I'll go too. Ow. And I'll be going. Oh, what are you doing? Nothing? Just howling at the moon? Hey, the moon's not even out. Yes, it is. See right there? Alright, it's out. Ow. Oh, I always fall on my neck. Oh gosh, it's on my side again. Oh, I'm going in the den. Crazy out here for me. Oh, what's that noise? What's that noise? Is that thunder? Is that thunder? Is that thunder? Oh. I think it's a storm. I think it's got a storm. Me too. I forgot. I think it's a storm too. I heard the storm. Tonight, since you don't go to sleep. Just go to sleep. Let me get in here. In here too. I'll get in here. I hear the sleep on top of you. Oh, fine. I'm gonna sleep on top of you. And I'll sleep on top of you actually. I'll sleep here. I'll sleep here. It's gonna be storming. I'll sleep here. Ow. Ow. I wanna get in the den. I wanna get in the den. I'm just gonna get up on this one. Oh no, I think I hear we're getting attacked. Me too. Guys, we're getting attacked. Hide the cubs. They're already gonna be hidden. They're gonna be hidden really soon. Ow! You knocked me over. getting there. We'll do it. I'll talk to them. Are you free? You talk to them. Ow, look, we fall over. Ew, hi, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Hello. What are you doing here? Oh, nothing. Just came to pass by. Hey. Hey. What do you want? Foxes, are they actually working with you? No, that was a surprise. What are you doing? Trying to keep you. Now go. Okay. Okay, we're going. Going. Get off of me. Hey, sorry. Get off of us, you wolves and foxes. You are working together, aren't you? It's okay, guys. We could have won. Yeah, we could have won if those foxes didn't show up. We could have won if those wolves didn't show up. But we know we could have won if those wolves hadn't showed up. But we know that if those foxes didn't show up. Wait.
Those foxes.
Hey, we're going home. Hey, I'm going home. I'm scared.
Dad can't fix it. No one can. Margaret.
Wait for me.
Killing it at this damn thing.
Where? Let's wait for some. Oh yeah. Alright. Comes this. I want to go home. 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 Hey, you want to go home? I want to go home. What was that? Nothing. Just a warthog. We can kill it. Oh, that was just a storm. Come on. It wasn't even. It was just thunder. Okay, I'm gonna leave him. Kids, come back here. Okay, Mommy. Okay, Mommy. Hey, push me. Whatever. Storming, kids. You gotta come in. Come back here. Guys, it's about to storm. Let us in. Let's storm. Get away from the storm. I'm getting going. You gotta get back. Yeah, we want to get back here. Yeah.